This is not a success story, it's the story of a boy who refused to give up. My name is Nayan. I was born on 8 August 2000 into a small middle class family. I didn't grow up with luxury, I grew with love, struggles, and dreams that were much bigger than our circumstances. In my early childhood, we lived together in a small 1 BHK flat. Life was simple. We didn't have much, but I was too young to understand what financial struggle really meant. As I grew older, life changed. Due to family issues and misunderstandings, we had to leave our home. There was a phase of my life when my parents and I were living in a small grocery shop. That shop became our home. There were no separate rooms, no privacy, no comfort. I still remember walking outside where because as a child I didn't understand what we were going through. Looking back today, those memories are painful, but they made me stronger. Those days taught me something that no school ever could: how to survive. Then, around my 8th standard, life slowly started changing. My mother and father worked tirelessly, and we were finally able to buy our own 1 BHK home once again. That small house wasn't just four walls, it was hope, it was safety, it was proof that difficult times don't last forever. But even after life became a little more stable, I was still lost. During my teenage years, I didn't have any clear goals. I wasn't focused on building my future. I spent countless hours scrolling on my phone, wasting time, living without direction. I became trapped in bad habits and lust. Instead of improving myself, I escaped reality through temporary pleasures. When I entered 11th and 12th standard, I also got involved in hookah and parties and distractions. I wasn't thinking about my future, I was simply existing. After completing school, I joined college. Between 2019 and 2022, life was simple. I attended classes, studied enough to pass, and slowly started exploring technology. For the first time, I became curious about creating projects instead of only reading textbooks. In 2022, I completed my BSc in computer science. I decided to continue my education and joined MSc in data science. Those 2 years completely changed my thinking. I started learning programming, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and real world projects. At the same time, I also realized that my family needed financial support. So I started working. I delivered food. I worked with Porter. I took part-time jobs. Every rupee mattered. Studying during the day and working whenever I could wasn't easy, but it taught me discipline. Then another challenge arrived. After completing my final semester in 2024, I expected to start my career immediately. Instead, I got stuck. Because of delays with my degree certificate and university processes, nearly 1.5 years of my life felt wasted. I watched opportunities pass by while waiting for paperwork that was outside my control. It was frustrating. It made me question everything. But maybe that delay was preparing me for something bigger. On 18th November 2025, I made one of the biggest decisions of my life. I stopped blaming my circumstances. I stopped waiting. I stopped wasting my time. That day, I decided to work on myself. I started reading, learning, building projects, improving my skills, taking my fitness seriously, creating content, thinking like an entrepreneur instead of someone waiting for permission. For the first time in my life, I had clarity. I knew what I wanted to build. I knew the person I wanted to become. Today, on 8 August 20, as I turn 26 years old, I am still far from where I want to be. I haven't achieved all my dreams yet, but I am no longer the confused boy who had no direction. I am building, I am learning, I am failing, I am growing every single day. This isn't the end of my story, it's the only the beginning. One day I will look back at this video with tears in my eyes and smile because these struggles will become the foundation of everything I built. If you are watching this while going through your own difficult phase, remember this: your current situation is not your final destination. You may be starting late, you may have lost years, you may feel behind, but as long as you keep moving forward, your story is still being written. This is chapter 1, the best chapters are yet to come.